Exactly what we needed. TCL 50-inch 4K series compatible. Replaced original power cord on a red light therapy unit that constantly fell out. I purchased the 12 from cord, so no more extension cord needed. This cord stays in and works beautifully for this application. Very pleased, highly recommended. Thinking about buying one to replace another loose cord that constantly falls out, on my Samsung 55-inch TV. I purchased this cord for use with an Apple TV4k. There was no way the factory Apple cord would reach the plug I needed, so I took a flyer. To my pleasure, this cord not only fit but also was thin, sturdy, and easy to add to my cord management system. Works perfectly for my LG 65-inch TV. Click link in description for more reviews.